Hey there! Did you know that you're sharing your bed with millions of unwanted guests every night? Yep, I'm talking about dust mites, dead skin cells, and who knows what else. Gross, right? Now, while it might not be something we think about often, our mattresses are crucial to our home environment, and believe it or not, they need a good cleaning just like every other part of our house. I mean, consider this. The average person spends about 1/3 of their life sleeping. That's a lot of time spent in one spot. Over time, sweat, oils, and dead skin cells make their way into the mattress, creating the perfect breeding ground for bacteria and mites. And if that's not enough to make you squirm, these allergens and critters can actually lead to poor sleep and health issues like allergies and even asthma. Not exactly what we signed up for, right? So, what's the solution? Well, regular cleaning, of course. But let's be honest, how many of us have the time or the right tools to deep clean a mattress properly? That's where we at USA Clean Master come in. We specialize in deep cleaning mattresses, using professional-grade products and techniques that not only clean, but sanitize and refresh your mattress, making it feel brand new. And don't worry about harsh chemicals. We use eco-friendly solutions that are safe for you, your family, and even your pets. Think about it. A clean mattress means better sleep, fewer allergies, and overall a healthier you. And when you leave it to us, it's just one less thing you have to worry about. So if you're ready to kick those dust mites to the curb and reclaim your clean, cozy bed, give us at USA Clean Master a call. Trust me, you and your mattress deserve it. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Sleep tight and, more importantly, sleep clean. Thanks for watching. See you next time.